I want to show you guys my thought process when I am live trading so you can really see how I personally trade and you can implement it into your own trading strategy. So you can see like right here, I've entered like a short for GPJPY. So yesterday I actually entered this sell position, right? And if you guys know me, I kind of like, it's been quite long since I have traded live account, like seriously traded. Because for the last month, I never really traded because I really want to focus on making these videos for you guys. You see, that's how selfless I am. I'm willing to let go making money from trading just to make these free videos for you guys. So you better go like this video right now. I want to tell you guys like a mistake that I made yesterday. So yesterday I was in the 1 hour time frame like analyzing the charts and stuff, right? And I drew my support area right here and I entered for a buy somewhere right around here. I saw some sort of like bullish engulfing candlestick right here, I think. Yeah, right here. So I entered for a buy right here. I saw a bullish engulfing candlestick at a support level and I also saw a moving average crossover. But then I lost the trade, so I placed my stop right here and I got stopped out, right? A very like common mistake people will make is that once they get stopped out, they will just think to themselves, oh no, I'm shit, the market hates me. No, I don't fucking do that. Remember, the market can do anything it wants, and ultimately the only thing you can do is that you need to be flexible. You need to be able to react to the market. So the moment I got stopped out right here, I don't just sit here and cry about it and just blame the freaking market for my mistake. No, I'm flexible. So what I'll do is that I went up to the 1 hour time frame and I actually saw like this is a bearish engulfing candlestick. So I saw that there was a lot of selling pressure right here breaking through this support level. So chances are this is not going to like, price is not just gonna like reverse and head back up, right? After price showed this bearish engulfing candlestick at this support level. So what I did was that I closed my buy position and I actually entered for a sell position. Right, I actually entered for a sell position because at this point of time my thought process was like, you know what, I just lost like what 30 pips. That's brokey shit, right? That's a little bit of money to me, so I just closed this shit and I just immediately switched to a sell position because I saw multiple confluence and I'm flexible and I actually react to the market instead of still being like stubborn and thinking that the market is gonna like reverse and somehow like head back up. Yup, so the moment I got stopped out of this like buy position, I re-evaluated and say that, okay, you know what, maybe it's not a buyer's market, maybe it's a seller's market. Because when I zoom out to the 4 hour time frame and I reanalyze the chart, I realized that I was wrong. I was stuck in the 1 hour time frame and I just saw like this support level and I just think that, oh, just buy because I see a bullish engulfing at the support level. And then I realized that I was wrong because when I zoom out to the 4 hour time frame, I realized that it's actually a seller's market. And then once I done my analysis, placed my Fibonacci, placed my key levels on a 4 hour time frame, I have determined that I should be bearish for GPJPY because I think that long term GJ can definitely drop to like this like 157.65 area right here, long term, alright? Yup, so long term, I'm still quite bearish on GJ because I still think that there is more room for GJ to drop, right? Before price like maybe reverse and hit back up or something, but there is definitely more room for GJ to drop. So I saw that as an opportunity. I was like, okay, I should enter for a sell somewhere around here. So what I did was that I entered for a sell somewhere around here and then place my stop loss above this support level and place my take profit all the way down here. And you can see that right now, price has not hit my take profit yet, right? Price is like in the middle of going to that take profit area. And at this point of time, I see price retracing. What a lot of ordinary humans will do is that they see this blue candlestick, they will be scared and then they will get out of the trade. You are a fucking loser if you get out when the price retraces. You need to stop being a fucking pussy and hold the trade to your take profit. You have to understand that price will retrace no matter what. Price won't just like go down immediately after you enter for the trade. No, price has to retrace so that there is more sellers and then go down in like the London session or something. That's why I was quite hesitant about making this unfiltered trading episode just now. I was like, should I record it right now because price has not went down to my take profit yet, and I wanted to record this episode after I've smashed the take profit so I can like show you guys the profit. But no, I'm here showing you guys my thought process because I understand that you guys want to see my thought process. Yup, so when price retraces, if you are scared, what you can do is really just go like turn your charts black, right? I always say like that's a very good tip if you want to hold the trade longer. Just turn your charts black because it can really like remove the emotions from the trade. So once you turn your charts black, you'll see that, oh shit, it's actually like a little retracement and price might continue and head back down even further. So honestly, I don't really give a fuck when price is retracing, right? Because I'm not a beginner anymore. When I'm a beginner, I'll probably be like scared when I see price retraces. But I'm so used to this shit, alright? I'm so used to this shit that when price retraces, it's just like, you know what? I don't really care. I'm just gonna go to the gym, whatever, do whatever thing so that I can like not look at the charts and just let the trade play out. Remember, you have to trust your analysis, guys. That's another point. You guys need to trust your analysis. As soon as you place your take profit all the way down here and you place your stop loss, just leave the freaking computer. If you are so scared that it's gonna hit my stop loss, you are a fucking pussy. And then if you see like price starts like reversing and heading to your stop loss, even though it was like near your take profit and you don't hold it till your take profit, you are a fucking pussy. Stop being a fucking pussy though. Like for real. You need to be confident in yourself. You need to be confident that your analysis is correct. And you should hold your trade all the way down to your take profit or to your stop loss. If your stop loss get hit, so be it. If your take profit get hit, great. But you are robotic. You are not emotional. Because if you actually like take profit early, like right here, but you let your stop loss get hit every single time, right? Your risk to reward ratio is gonna be messed up. It's gonna be fucked up. And in the long run, you won't become profitable. That's why you need to let your trade run till your take profit so that your risk to reward ratio is solid in the long run and you actually become consistently profitable. Yep, so that's one mistake that a lot of beginner traders make. Yep, so that was just like a quick analysis on GJ, because right now I really do still think that like price will continue to go down even further to at least this like 159.5 level. I was thinking on whether I should post this video because I actually ended up losing that trade that I just showed you and lost 1% of my capital. I thought of whether I should re-record this episode again to show you a winning trade instead of a losing one, to prove to you that, oh, look at me, I'm a winning trader, hehe. Instead of hiding my losses and my mistakes like a pussy and like all those trading gurus who only show you their wins, I decided to be 100% transparent and unfiltered to you and show you my loss, because this is unfiltered trading. So let me show you my analysis again. So actually I entered for a sell like right here, and then my original take profit was all the way down here, right? Because I thought that price will just go down straight down to this level here, right? I thought that maybe price will retest and go down to this level here, but nope, that's not what price actually done. I actually realized my mistake after my stop loss got hit, because if you zoom out actually, like let's zoom out, you will see that there is actually another hidden key support level that I actually missed. That's why price reversed right here. It's right here at this level here. At this level here, there's another support level right here. If you look towards the left, you can see, yup, look at this. This is another key support level. Before price went down to this level, it actually went down to this level first. So yeah, there's actually another key support level right here. Whenever price gets down here, it always reverse. Come back down here, reverse. That's why when price come back down again here, it reversed and hit back up and hit my stop loss. I realized that this was due to my negligence. I forgot to mark another key level right here because I was so stuck on the 1 hour time frame. I was so stuck on the 1 hour time frame that I actually missed a key support level right here. So yeah, it was 100% my mistake. I'm not gonna blame the market like beginner traders do. It was 100% my mistake. I was careless on this trade and I own that mistake. So there's this quote that goes like, only a fool learns from his mistakes. The wise man learn from the mistakes of others. Learn from my mistake. My mistake is your lesson. Please do not commit this mistake. Make sure you zoom out to the higher time frame and make sure you do not neglect any key levels. This video will show you that no matter how good of a trader you are, you will still lose trades in this market. The point here is risk management. I can lose like 5 trades and I can still be profitable because my wins are so much bigger than my losses. So you have to win more money than you lose to become profitable in this market. And it really took a lot of courage for me to own up to my mistake on camera, because I feel like a lot of trading gurus, they just don't do that, right? They just show you their wins, show you their profits, but they never ever show you their losses. And I decided to show you my losses because like this is just how I trade, right? I believe that my thought process was flawed because I actually missed out a key level. And most of the time, those trading gurus you see making shit ton of profits, They also make mistakes like this sometimes, even though they can be 5 years into the market. So yeah, I'll see you in the unfiltered section. Welcome to the unfiltered section. This is not an ordinary YouTube channel. I'm not here to show you the freaking 99% win rate strategy. No, I'm here to change your trading. I'm here to help you become profitable. And this is a movement. This is a mission. I have a mission. Our mission is to simplify trading and inspire our generation of young men and women to become consistently profitable traders who are more focused on psychology and risk management. And there's this one thing that I really want you to do. If you can do this one thing consistently, you will become profitable. Successful traders or successful humans have been doing this one thing since the dawn of time. And the one thing is journaling. Journaling. This one thing can literally 10x your trading and help you become profitable. Boring. I'm just gonna continue to find a perfect indicator so I can stop losing. Alright, go ahead. Goodbye. But for those of you who are actually serious about becoming profitable and you want to stop losing money, you need to continue watching this video. Successful people and failures, they hate doing the same thing, right? They hate exercising. They hate eating healthy. They hate working out. What separates the successful people from the failures is that the successful people, they do it anyways. They do it anyways even though they freaking hate it. You think that I freaking like sitting around and writing on my journal like a little geek? No, I don't fucking like to do it, but I do it anyways because I know that it will help me to become profitable. I used to use an Excel sheet to journal all my trades, but nowadays I do not use that anymore and I just use like a physical notebook, literally a physical notebook, because I found that like the Excel sheet that I done, it was just too complicated, you know what I'm saying? I literally recorded like what price I got in, what price I got out, and then how much money I make, and what I learned, everything. It was just so messy and complicated, and it just made me not feel motivated to journal because like there is so much things to write down and I'm lazy, alright, to be honest, I'm lazy. So what I did was that I completely just get rid of like the complicated, messy Excel sheet and just adopted a more simple approach. A lot of people have this notion that like trading journaling is super hard to do, it's super complicated to do. That's why like you don't feel motivated to do it. But in reality, it's actually quite simple to do it, right? What I personally do is that at the end of a trading day, every single day when I'm done trading for the day, I will literally open up like my physical, like this notebook right here, and I will write down like the mistakes that I've made for the day. So example is that I've made this mistake of over trading today, right? I'll just put it down and then I'll write like a solution to that mistake so that it will prevent myself from committing the same mistake. Let's say the mistake I committed today was over trading. So the solution to that would be like set a profit target for the day so that I do not over trade. So when price eventually reaches the profit target, I stop trading for the day, and this will really prevent me from like over trading and continue trading. And it's really just as simple as that, guys. Like you do not need to have like a fancy Excel sheet or like some software you need to pay like $10 per month to journal your trades, right? You just need a freaking notebook which costs like, I don't know, $4 or something. Just get a notebook, and this $4 investment can literally make you profitable, can literally make you thousands of dollars. Can you believe that? So after you have written down like your mistakes and the solution, you can review your trading journal like every week or every month, whatever you like to do, alright? By the way, I forgot to mention that you can either have like a physical trading journal or like an online trading journal where you type down on your computer or phone or whatever, right? It really does not matter because like if you like to type down things, just go ahead and just type down things. And if you like to write down physically, you can just write down physically on your trading journal. But the reason why I actually like write down on my trading journal is because I do not like technology. And I found that like by writing down things, you actually tend to remember it even better. You actually tend to like memorize like the things that you've written down much better compared to if you just type it on your computer. Okay, like fun fact, I was actually like reviewing my trading journal like yesterday, and I saw that like the first page of my trading journal was 31st August 21, because this is like my new trading journal, so like That's why like the first page is August 31st 2021. So this was like almost a year ago, and I have wrote down that August is the worst trading month since institutional traders are on vacation and there are very inconsistent price action, and the market pretty much was in sideways the entire month. So I literally put a note like that says like, do not trade in August. I just broken the rule that I literally journaled myself not to do like 1 year ago. To be honest, I rarely review my trading journal, which is something I really want to improve on. Like, I want to review my trading journal more often, so that would be like something I aim to improve on. But you can see, if you rarely review your trading journal, you're gonna like forget like the mistakes that you make, and you're gonna commit the same mistakes again. So what you really need to do is to start like reviewing your trading journal, review your mistakes and the solution like annually or every quarter or whatever, every month, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you review your trading journal. And honestly, it's really a wonderful feeling looking back and realizing that you have actually improved as a trader. Like nowadays, you do not make like the beginner mistakes that you make like 2 years ago or 1 year ago. Like for me, a very like common mistake that I will make in my first year will be improper risk management. I will use like a lot size that is way too big for my account just because like I'm tempted to get rich from that one trade, right? But nowadays I just use a position size calculator, and I make sure that no matter how good that trade is, I use the position size calculator first, calculate my risk first before I enter for the trade. So yeah, it's really like a wonderful feeling. Like you just look back at your younger self and just like, wow bro, you have really come so far. You have actually come so far. You were a total loser back then, but now you have actually became better. You have actually became more handsome. I want you to share this video with a losing trader. It could be a friend or your family, whatever. And if he's like still continue losing in trading, you can share this video with him so they can help him, and you can also help yourself at the same time. And like this video if this video was helpful, and hit on that subscribe button. Welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.